Welcome back NH fam. Today we're back here to help you accomplish your K-pop dreams. In our previous video, we talked about the various global auditions being held by all the K-pop entertainment companies currently for the year 2026. And you can check that out over here or over here, wherever I link it. In this video, we're specifically going to talk about all the rolling auditions that are constantly open for these K-pop entertainment companies. And by rolling auditions, I mean the auditions that are constantly open and you can submit your applications at any point of time. They have a slightly better advantage in terms of the age restriction, where it is slightly lighter over here than compared to the global audition. So let's just get into it. First on our list, we have SM Entertainment, one of the biggest K-pop entertainment companies that currently houses EXO, NCT, aespa, Red Velvet, and so many more brilliant acts. They are always open in terms of recruiting new talent via the SM weekly auditions. These auditions are held offline in Seoul, and currently there are no gender or nationality restrictions. However, there is the age restriction of only people born in and after 2004 being allowed to audition. The categories are vocal, rap, dance, and acting. And how do you apply? You can only apply offline in Seoul itself every Saturday from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. at this location right here. For more information, you can always check out the SM Audition website, which is linked in the description box below. Next, we're moving on to JYP, which is another powerhouse behind global groups such as Twice, Stray Kids, NMIXX, ITZY, and so many more. They are always looking for new talent and their auditions are open online on a rolling basis. The good thing is it's open to everyone. There's no limitations in terms of gender, nationality, or age. And the categories that you can apply for is vocal, rap, dance, singing, acting, modeling. And how do you apply? You can submit your application via the JYP Auditions website online. Next on our list, we have Adore, which is an independent label under HYBE and is behind the award-winning girl group New Jeans. And they currently have their rolling auditions open, but only for male aspirants born after 2006. Their auditions are also being conducted online and their categories are way more wide in terms of the regular ones. For example, they have vocal, rap, dance, acting, modeling, vlogging, photography, songwriting, composing, etc. So you can basically apply for anything here. How to apply? You can submit your application via the Adore Audition website online. Next on our list, we have Cause Entertainment, which is a subsidiary label under HYBE labels. They currently house the major boy group Boy Next Door and the soloist Zico and have their rolling auditions open via online submission. So their rolling auditions have no restrictions in terms of gender or nationality. However, they do have the age restriction of people born in or after 2008. And the categories for them are vocal, dance, rap, and producing. How to apply? You can submit your application via the Cause Audition website online. Next on our list, we have Pledis Entertainment, which is another independent label under HYBE labels and currently houses the major boy groups 17 and To Us. They are currently holding their Pledis online auditions, and as the name suggests, it is online and it is open to people of all gender and nationalities. However, the age limit of people being born in or after 2008 is there. Their categories are wide. They have vocals, rap, acting, playing instruments, visuals, and producing, and etc. And you can apply by submitting your application to the Pledis Audition website online. Wacon is a South Korean entertainment company. They are currently holding their rolling auditions and you can apply for it online. There are no restrictions in terms of age, nationality, or gender, but the person needs to be able to travel abroad. You can apply for singing, rapping, dancing, or acting, and you can apply for 2 fields. How do you apply? You can submit your online application via the Wacon Audition website online. Next on our list, we have RBW Entertainment. They are the management company behind Mamamoo and 1V. They have their rolling auditions constantly open and you can apply via email and or DM. It is open to applicants of all ages, genders, and nationalities, and the categories are also wide. There's vocal, rapping, acting, bassist, drummer, guitarist, DJ, singer-songwriter, lyricist, composers, arranger, and producer. How to apply? You can submit your online application via the RBW Auditions website or through the official mail mentioned over here. You can get more information from the RBW Audition website, which is linked in the description box below. Next, we have KQ Entertainment, which is behind the popular groups 80s and Psychos. Their rolling auditions are open to people of all genders, ages, and nationalities, and their categories are wide, but they're mainly divided into 2. First is the artist category, which includes singing, dancing, and original compositions without accompaniment instruments and microphone. Next is the producer category, where people can submit their lyrics or their original compositions. You can submit the filled application form to this email and you can get more details from the KQ Audition website, which is linked below. Next on our list, we have FNF Entertainment, which is the management company behind major groups such as UNIS and AHO. Their rolling auditions are currently open and you can submit your applications online. It is open to applicants of all genders, age and nationalities, and you can apply for vocals, rap, dancing, acting and visuals. You can submit your filled form to this email over here and you can get more details from the FNF Entertainment Audition website online, which we have linked in the description box below. Lastly, on our list, we have MNH Entertainment, which is currently the house of the boy group 8 Turn. Their rolling auditions are open and you can submit them online via email. It is open to applicants of all genders, ages and nationalities, and you can apply for the categories of vocal, rap, dance and acting. You can submit your filled application form to this email and you can get more information at the MNH Audition website, which we have linked in the description box below. Don't wait for the right time. Apply to these companies right now and be on your path to become the K-pop idol that you always dreamed to be. If this video helped you even just a little bit to achieve your dreams, do like, share and comment and subscribe to the Namaste Hallyu YouTube channel, and that will be all for today. Thank you.